Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to start your course day in code.org. First, you need to go on the course catalog. After you're there on the course catalog, you need to go down. Over here, you're going to see the different types of courses. Right now, we are going to start with grade kindergarten to grade 5. By pressing on the Learn More button, I get these different courses like Pre-Reader Express course, Course A, Course B, Course C. So today we are going to start with Course D. After your Course D is on, you can choose any versions. Like every year there's a new version. Right now I'm going to show you with the newest version. Now after you have watched the video, the unplugged activity, which I would recommend you to watch, and after watching the maze introduction, you need to do a set. After you watch the maze introduction, you need to do all these challenges. These challenges are easy as you have done them before in the previous courses, course A, B, C. So this is the same version but in a different course. Now we need to basically get the red bird to the green pig. How are we going to do that? We only need to use 16 blocks, so we need to use the blocks very wisely. First, we need to move forward. When I move forward, then I come here. Now I know that my move forward gets me one space ahead. After that, I need to turn to my, that's right, I need to turn to my left. After I turn to my left, it turns left. Right now it's not showing because I didn't add a move forward block. We need to go forward 1 and 2 times. Look, now it also turned the left. Now, as you saw, this time it also turned the left and moved forward. For our purpose, we are going to add another move forward. So I'm going to come around over here. Then I move to my right. After turning to my right, I need to move 2 blocks again. So I'll add move forward again. After I move forward twice, I'll come here. Now, so first let's go back to our steps again. So first we move forward, then we turn left, then we move forward, then we move forward again, then we turn right, then we move forward and another move forward, and then we need to do one more time. So I'll add it to my code. Now that I'm over here, I'll need to turn towards my left. Now that I'm done turning towards my left, I'll need to move forward. Now, you can always pause your video and think, is this code that I've written right or is it wrong? Now, this code is wrong. And I'll run the program and you can see why. Now, my code is only ending over here. And I need to move one more block forward or else the code won't be completed. Now I'll try and we'll see if the code is correct. Yay! Our code is correct. Now we keep coding. I'll show you the 9th exercise as well as it's not very easy. So now, in this one first we need to move forward. I'll come over here. Now, do I need to move a left or do I need to turn a right? I'll need to turn to my right. Then I need to move forward again. Then I need to turn to my left and I'll be facing here. Now, if I think about it, isn't the same code getting repeated? Yes, it is. So now I'm going to write a repeat twice. Now you'll see how far I've come. And is the place I am enough or is it not? So now, when we repeated the code twice, we came over here. But I don't think that was enough. We need to move another time forward, then turn to our right, and then forward again. We won't be adding another, we can add another repeat loop if we want, but the impact will be same. Just that we'll be using less blocks. Look. Now, but I can also do the same code twice if I add a repeat twice. And we can see if that will work. Hooray! Both of our logics work. And that will be the end of our video of the first lesson of course D.